Amethyst with WTI, and I am a small business owner where I sell very colorful prints, and in order to do that at home, I need to make sure that I have a good quality ink for that. So I really trust the Easy Ink premium ink cartridges here. So these are for the size 410XL, so make sure that that is actually the size that you need for your printer. The installation process was seamless, really easy. I have known how to do it for a while, but they do give you a user guide in case it's your first time changing out ink. So this is what the cartridges look like. They come packaged individually, which is great, so you can make sure that the ink is going to be a good quality when you get it. These things last for a very long time while giving nice vibrant color to your pictures. I've had no issues with them bleeding or streaking or anything like that. Let me show you some of the things that I printed out. So these were on just like regular white paper, and I'm really happy with the color vibrancy. So if you're looking for a good quality ink that's going to last you a long time, then I highly recommend this one, and that is my point of view.